This airport expansion project added 24,000 square feet of epoxy terrazzo to the existing concourse. For this phase, the airport expanded upon its standard 5-color wavy terrazzo pattern by enlisting 4 local artists. 9 unique pieces of artwork in 54 colors were commissioned, and each artist was given a theme: water, dunes, nature, and city, to guide passengers on a visual journey through the region's diverse landscapes, from the deep blues of the lake and the sandy tans of the dunes to the grays and purples of the urban core and the lush greens of farmland and forests. The strip work for the art pieces was waterjet cut and welded to mesh. All other divider strips were bent on site by hand, following template guides. The large flowing waves in the terrazzo field pattern seamlessly connect with existing patterns in the airport, maintaining design continuity while intuitively guiding travelers through the space. These art installations provide a sense of place unique to this locale, connecting the airport to its regional surroundings and offering travelers an engaging experience that blends functionality with artistic expression. For exemplary work in the Gerald R. Ford International Airport in Grand Rapids, Michigan, we honor Central Tile and Terrazzo Company of Kalamazoo, Michigan.